Hyderabad E-Prix.
The experience so far here has been very interesting, discovering different kinds of foods, a completely different culture, lots of traffic and hooting. It's not getting boring at all, but we're focused on the racing and looking forward to that.
Yo guys, we're just about to start track walk here in India. Track looks, pretty different to the simulators, so let's see what we're gonna find on the way out. I think it's going to be an interesting race. Qualifying will be chaotic as always, very important. I think qualifying trim will look like we can fight in the mid-pack, so let's see if we can fight up there and do our best.
Finally, we're on the grid here in India. We have to start from the back, but we are fighting like hell until the checkered flag, and cross the fingers for us, please.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we're done and dusted here in India. What a crazy experience it's been for the week here. First time Formula E visiting this country, and for me and Nico, obviously we had our own experiences of the culture.
It was an interesting one. We can take on positive, still lots of lessons to take on as well, and we're in that process. The curve is going into the right direction, so hopefully we can keep that up for South Africa. We're all looking forward to it, and maybe it will be the place for the first points, who knows.
See you guys there.